Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 23. An action which is ordained, which is free from attachment, which is done without love or hatred, by one who is not desirous of the fruit, that action is declared to be sattvika, pure.
Chapter 18, Shloka 23. Niyatam sangarahitam aragattveshat kritam apalaprepsuna karma yattat satvigam uchyate.
Chapter 18, Shloka 23. The threefold nature of action is now described in the following shlokas. After explaining the three types of knowledge, now the classification of actions, karma, under the same three heads is taken up. Sattvic action is the best of the three types of action, as it is productive of peace within and harmony without the field of activity. It is a humane action. It is an obligatory action, a work undertaken for its own sake, not motivated by likes or dislikes, in an attitude that work is worship. It is undertaken without any desire to enjoy the results thereof. Such activities purify the personality as they are performed in spirit of inspiration. Inspired activities bypass the very best of the actor or what the doer is ordinarily capable of. Such an activity is without gaining any definite end. It is a dedicated activity without attachment, performed out of love. A sattvic intellect that has recognized the all-pervading one and lives in the consciousness of the one reality sees the same in all the variety of beings. Such an individual serves all in a sense, self-fulfillment and inspired joy. A sattvic actor acts because to remain without doing service is a choking death to him. He is a true Brahmana. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.